Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fabric softener that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Mrs. Meyer's Liquid Fabric Softener. If you love scented laundry but want more options than the usual, fresh scents on the market, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the variety offered by Mrs. Meyer's. These 32-ounce bottles come in various scents including lavender, honeysuckle, basil, peony, rainwater, and birchwood. The scents come from essential oils rather than artificial fragrances, though people with sensitive skin should still avoid scents altogether. Aside from the extensive scent selection, we love that this eco-friendly fabric softener is biodegradable and made using a cruelty-free formula. Plus, it makes your laundry soft, fluffy, and static-free load after load. While a little goes a long way with this product, the bottle can only handle up to 32 loads, which is smaller than some of other selections. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wool Dryer Balls. If you want a sustainable alternative to liquid fabric softener or dryer sheets, opt for these reusable dryer balls from Smart Sheep. They come in a 6-pack that can last more than 1,000 loads. You could do 3 loads of laundry per day for an entire year without replacing or repurchasing. To use them, toss 3 balls in a small to medium load or use all 6 for a large load. These wool balls bounce around your dryer and gently push and pull at your clothing to allow for better tumbling, meaning they will dry faster. As they move around, they also soften your clothes without any chemicals or fragrances. The price tag on these dryer balls is higher than some of our other selections but is arguably one of the best values when you consider how many times you have to replenish liquid fabric softener and dryer sheets. All you have to do is remove the balls after your laundry is dry and store them for next time. We think this is money well spent. At number 3, we have the Downy Defy Damage Total Wash Fabric Conditioning Beads. When used consistently, the Down Defy Damage beads protect your clothes and linens from fading, fuzzing, and stretching. If you want your clothes to look brand new for longer, these beads can prevent standard wear and tear. The granules go in with the wash with your clothes and linens. Just toss in a scoop or 2, depending on the size of the load, along with your laundry detergent. They're compatible with top and front loading washers and come in an unscented and fresh scent, depending on your fragrance preferences. At number 2, we have the Bounce Dryer Sheets Laundry Fabric Softener. If you're all about convenience, nothing is better than the Bounce Fabric Softener Sheets. Aside from softening your clothes as they tumble dry, we love that these light as air dryer sheets eliminate wrinkles and static. For those with pets, these sheets can also remove hair and lint, all while infusing your clothes with a fresh, clean scent. The manufacturer recommends 2 sheets for best results, but you may find that one does the trick. Unlike jumbo bottles of fabric softener, these Bounce dryer sheets are lighter than air and easy to transport. If you live in an apartment and have to go out to a laundromat or a basement laundry room, it's easy to tote along this box. And finally, at number 1, we have the Gain Fabric Softener. If you want your clothes soft and smelling extra fresh, Gain Original Fabric Softener is our go-to choice. The scent is light and long-lasting, so your laundry will stay crisp even after it's folded and put away. In addition to creating soft and subtly fragrant clothes, this fabric softener ensures they stay static-free. This pick is compatible with all machines, including front and top load washers and high-efficiency heat machines. With less than an ounce needed per load, you can do up to 60 washes with one 51-ounce bottle. We love the incredible value of this liquid fabric softener, and that you can score even better deals on the bigger bottles. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.